Hey. No, sir, yo, a little youth, normal. Me tell you, say, man, psycho, ain't no good, brother. So, welcome again, guys. It's your boy, DJ Bobajoe, aka Boy CJ. You understand? The show maker, God. Yeah, so right now, people, as you see it in the title, you know what I will be doing in this video. Because you don't know, say, years now, I'm doing YouTube. I'm on YouTube. You see me? So, you don't know, I had a previous channel before this channel, so you must know, say, years. Yeah, almost a century now, me dey on YouTube, so you must know, I think, say. So, right now, we just play the intro. Believe I'll play the long intro. Me just play. Alright, I'll play the long intro. You see me? But don't go nowhere. Just fall back right. Right, yes sir. And remember to subscribe, like the video, leave a comment if you want to, and remember to share. Because a reaction video here, now I'm gonna man! That's it. So people, as you know, I had previous channel before, DJ Joe TV, I understand. Previous channel where me can't log in back in because I don't know the password and I don't know the email, you see? Yeah, I know the password and mail, but I don't know the email. You see me? So right now guys, I'll be reacting to some of my old videos 5 years ago. You see me? When we just started out on YouTube. Just started out on YouTube in 2015, yeah. This video is 5 year old. You see me? This was when I was in either grade 8 or grade 7. We shoot them video here. So you must know say years now I'm on YouTube. So this is one of my first videos. Me not give you the channel name and me not give you the video title because we don't want to check out them video because them video them video are insane, and that's why my name Psycho God because my head no good. A Psycho God? No. Wobbles. How I go? Me a thief your name dog. Alright, you know say a Psycho head no good. You don't know say my Psycho head no good, is it? So you don't know say the merch they are out soon, so you can get your merch, then you can get the Troublemaker Squad shirt, you see, t-shirt and gears, you understand, cases and such. So don't go nowhere. Alright, so I'm gonna start the video real. Just start the screen recording on this. So people don't laugh, you understand? Alright, it starts. So I'm gonna press play now.
Hello, yes, thank you for joining us on YouTube at S.H.A.R.E.
YouTube at Past TV, I would have thought people. It's your boy Bobajoe talking. But at time now, how this? I'll go and I freeze this, I freeze her out. Alright, I'll start back over. You know how I go on YouTube. Alright, let's play back.
Hello, yes, thank you for joining us on YouTube at
I mean that,
S.H.A.R.E.
you know.
Right now we're going to try the most dangerous thing in the world. My name is DJ Bobajoe.
Now wonder, people now wonder what is the most dangerous thing in the world. You know what is the most dangerous thing in the world you ever have to try? Is to die. So on the face I'm do it none of day. I'll kill myself or just watch it. Just watch it.
So, we're going to learn how to catch DUPPY.
You don't come from planet Earth.
Hey.
No, sir, yo, a little youth, normal. Me tell you, say, man, psycho, ain't no good, brother. Yo, you man say about teach you how to catch DUPPY. I don't feel so them methods they work. Yo, your brother say, you might go teach you how to catch DUPPY. You can't believe say that was me when I was younger. John S.H.A.R.E.
K.A. Demon. Demons. So, what are demons? Demons are something that is controlled by the devil. So you're gonna
Demons are something that are controlled by the devil. Leave some comments with me laugh, yeah, people. Big one, yo. If it this start, I can't stop it already. Yeah, I believe so. I was like, I was like insane when I was younger. You know, like
try the most
that youth, I was a scientist, and brother. Yo,
extreme things or to catch those. So, first, step one, you're gonna get 2 battles. Or if you want to catch more than 1 demons, you can get about 1,000,000. And that will help you to catch many more. As you can see, the battles are empty. Also,
yo, that you tell them normal people. Yo, no like the video, share the video because right now I react to a video I do 5 years ago when I was a younger youth. You see me? Ah boy, I use I give you some joke, you know. You man get 20 buckle, you know, people. I man say demons more kitchen and them is it. So we all say what are going on, I mean, just doing a reaction in the meantime, you see me?
empty. This one is I can tell you how much gallon come on there. 1.59 or 1.5 liters bottle. But you are well in need of this. But with this right now, you're not well in need of it. This is so that the demons
When I look at the youth and realize that yo man all have on a tattoo, I says oh that CJ. Man all have on a tattoo. Me have on the tattoo. You know, look at it. And I don't really tattoo. I must a cashew or pen right here, see.
don't get away that simple. But this is to show the demons. So we're going to tear off this. Cause right now we're going to do this right in Jamaica right here. Right in
Yo people, man I teach you how to catch duppy people. Yo.
Jamaica. Come on, people. You are in very quick rush right here.
Yo, I look at you there hilarious, you know. Yo guys, we are telling you. You see from Chavas days, me did really creative back in the days, well creative from then, you see. Just through we never have the instrument them. We never then the time the smartphone never in for everybody get smartphone them time so we never start YouTubing. As would start from about in a primary school, you see. If I did add instrument them. You see me? But I started out when I was in grade 8, I think. I don't know. Can't remember so good. You see it?
We're going to tear off this. If you want to see the demons better, you got to tear off this. We're going to dump that right there. So, as you can see, I have a string right here. So, I'm going.
I wonder, yo, guys, me didn't even watch a video first. Me watch a video from over the years. Me not really remember the video. But I don't feel say you might do this string on the back right now. You just watch it.
I'm going to tie it on the bottom. By the way, don't try these things at where you know that you have kids because maybe the demons or aka as Jamaican people say will attack them. So don't try it. Because this thing will work. I'm sure about it.
That will surely work. Young Bobajoe, that will surely work. The man say, yo, the little youth say, don't try these things. Which part you have kids? Because the demons might go into the kids. You see, because you see that method there? And this is a part 1, you know, because you better have part 2 for it, you know, but me not drop part 2 yet. You see me? If you want part 2, subscribe to the channel, share this more than 1K on a video, yeah. Big moments, no joking of people, big moments.
So, I'm going to show you what I'm doing right here. You're going to tie this part of the string right here.
Tie it right there. Yeah, brother.
Is I'm going to tie. And I'm going to show you how to catch it up. Demons. That part of string right here. because as you know, this is the balance part. This is to make demons balance when you're taking inside the bottle. We have tried this and it has worked. And I'm gonna show you that it will work. I'm just fixing the bottle right here. So now we're gonna move this. Oh shucks, I'm having a bit of problem tying it on here. Come on. I'm having a bit of a problem.
Yo, I brother now, man.
And
You see, since at first me I watch your video, I want to see when he catch the demons, aka the DUPPY. I want to see a DUPPY method, the catching of DUPPY method work. And me sure no say that is in part 2. That's why I want to get a video to 1K so I can drop part 2 in the other day. What I try to say? We drop part few as soon as possible. But one thing, you know, people, young Bobajoe, where you have number 2 for your shirt? Where you have number 2 for your shirt?
come on, don't.
Oh, them time that we never did how would I say? Them the time that we never did hold out nobody with a number. You see? So it could have any number for your shirt.
Drop right now. I know you're so light, but when the demons get inside it, it won't be as light as you think. Oh God.
When the demons go in it, he back and down go light, you know. So the brother say, you know.
I'm going to put that part in there. We're making a demon trap, aka demon trap.
Man, I make a trap in a people who don't want to try this. Eh?
That part in there. Yeah, I know.
You don't know nothing, man. You know anything?
And they're gonna put it right in there, like this. Cause you're making a trap for the demons.
Yo, look at you there, give me one bag of joke, people. Big one. So look at you there, give me one bag of joke.
Oh shucks, this part came out again. Oh God. We're having a bit of problem right here.
So young Bobajoe, why you calling the Lord name in vain? And you're catching a DUPPY.
I can't bother. I can't bother. I'm gonna do it.
You can't bother because probably not gonna work. That's why you can't bother. Probably not gonna work, you know, brother. What I want to see it work in part few because it guarantee me, the elder Bobajoe in the future, that it will work. And right now, me I watch the past, you see me, and I am in the future, you see me. Yo,
But I got to show you guys this. How it impacted. Yes, I know that the battery is full, but after okay.
Man use an electrical wire and tie the two batteries together and say that would catch demons. I want to see this method of catching DUPPY work. Young Bobajoe said it will work. So I want to see this work. I want to see this work.
Do you see that the battery is balanced right now? So the only thing,
Bro God, that is simple. That is simple. Right now, if me could have left from here, so I'm go back in the past, go tell us, say, yo, you should have put this for YouTube because me not do what. If me don't know why your propaganda DUPPY thing, but this I can catch DUPPY. Brother, right now, if me could have go back in the past and tell us, say, Bobajoe take down this off of YouTube, you don't put it up. Because that method here is fake. And I want to see if it's real. So, people, we are going to make a part 2 for this. Big one. Because the brother have one part 2. This is part 1 video.
oh God, dogs are barking around here. I wonder if
Then the time there, me I tell you something. You see that young Bobajoe, yeah? Bobajoe from the past, man never used to cuss expletives. That's why each time he must say something, he say, oh God, and them something there. You see me, because the man was a Christian child. Then the time the man I got church each and every Sunday. No Sunday could miss him man in time. The man never used to know about the word expletives. You see me? So you know, so the youth was a good youth. So you know what type of method, if a church ain't gonna learn the method, yeah, or if you catch DUPPY. And now, you make come propaganda for DUPPY and want to see it work.
these are demons coming, are aka the duckies. Come on, you got to balance. Nah, the bottles are not balancing. That is the only problem. But it got the balance now.
15 years ago, now, people.
Okay.
5 years ago.
Okay.
To all the man there for YouTube. The man younger on the for YouTube. What for the shaggy man you see, brother?
If the battle are not settled, then when
People, if you didn't know so this the for YouTube from back in the days, would you go and watch it? Would you go and watch it? Tell me. Leave some comments to people.
the demons or a duppy came by, like the old one they call Charlie, this shark can catch it.
Alright. You see the demons or whatever them call it, when you Charlie, the brother make Charlie, a trapper half a Charlie. You see, he might teach you how to get Charlie. Because every time the Charlie, the high school them.
This trap can catch Charlie. Simple and easy. I
brother, you're bad.
harassing me most of the time. So that's why I made this trap. As you also know, I'm a scientist. But I'm sure...
Scientist? Young Bobajoe? A scientist? So me know in the future, me know, currently, our selector though. So him in the past did what? A scientist in wasn't a selector. Brother, you're a joke, brother. Brother, you're a joke, you know, brother.
This trap will work. But if you make this demon, the thing get away, I'm sorry for you. It will kill you. And as you all know...
Yo, that one, brother, you're hilarious. So, brother, a scientist, brother, you're scientist Bobajoe from the past is hilarious. The brother said, if you make the demon, the demons get away, he's sorry for you. Yo!
As you all know, this trap, when you catch the demons, as you can see, the battle is not corked. When you catch the demons, the battle will get smoked. And this cork will set right there. And the cards right up there will fly over here. So, I'm gonna be waiting for 10 minutes. First, I presume, because this yard is a yard that are full up with demons, aka dummies. Because we're gonna catch the demons right now. So I'm gonna wait for 10 minutes and get back right with you.
So guys, may I go to end this video right here because we have a part 2 of the video. Because may I tell you, say scientist young Bobajoe and a joker. Man never selected them time there. Man did a scientist and the man create a demonic trap. So people right now, the video end right here. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe right now. You see me? Bobajoe said that, and right now people, share this video if you want a part 2. If you want to see the demons get catching on the buckle, if it's really will catch a demons, or if something has happened with the buckle, you just subscribe, share the video, get the channel to 2K, 2,000. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. The name is at DJ Bobajoe. Follow the fan page at DJ Bobajoe_promo, and follow my music profile, that is DJ Bobajoe Music. Make sure you like my Facebook page. I want it to go to 1K follow likes. 1K. So people, just sign out. You don't know DJ Bobajoe, sign out. Yeah, like.